The best way to trade crypto is with indicators, but if you want to buy and hold it for it to rise, then it's a great strategy. But if you're in the market chart and you want to trade, indicator is the only thing that you can use to get perfect entries. Let me show you what I'm talking about on the market trade on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And what you can see here is that I inserted the Bollinger Bands and the MACD and also the RSI. Now, there's a reason why I did this, okay? So I experimented on this and I saw that when price break through this middle Bollinger Bands and it will go up and touch this upper Bollinger Band before it will retest, right? Retest mean before it will sell after it has bought, right? So you see that once price breakthrough when in a bullish candle, it will go upwards until it touch this upper Bollinger Bands before it sell again, then it will go upwards, right? Then if it sold and break down after this middle Bollinger Bands, if it break out, it's going to touch this last Bollinger Bands before it retests up, right? Let's see what I'm talking about, right? As you can see, then what I did was that I placed a sell opportunity. I placed a buy. What I did was I placed a buy entry without the use of indicator. I just placed a buy based on price action, right? Based on price action. Now I want you guys to know that the crypto market and the forex market are not the same thing, right? You can't use the idea you have on the forex market to trade the crypto market, right? These are two different markets, right? Now if I go to the 1 hour time frame, if I zoom in, you can see right here that I placed a buy. I placed a buy, and before I hit my TP, it took some period of time before I hit my TP, and it took about 20 minutes or so before I hit my TP, and I was in a loss for a particular period of time. So this is where the use of indicator is good, right? This is where the use of indicator is so good that you can see this is in this indicator, which is the blue this green candle is the MACD, right? The MACD, when this MACD touches this level of the RSI of the level 90, it will sell. So you can confidently place a sell when this indicator touches this level. What you can do is place a sell immediately to take advantage of that price. You can see that it works here again, and there's a level you need to set on your indicator. Take a look at this point, level 90, it sold, you place a sell, and this is just like overbought and oversold, right? Overbought and oversold. So this level 90 here is overbought, 10 oversold, and it works perfectly on the crypto market. Here you see that when price touched this oversold region, it bought. Here is the oversold. Take a look at it. Here is the oversold. This region is the oversold, and it bought. This is level of 10. Here you can see, here trace it up, it bought, right? So this is perfect for you to trade the crypto market using these indicators, right? Perfectly. And like I said, once price break through for a buy, for a bullish candle, if it breaks through this middle Bollinger Bands, it will retest, it will buy or continue to buy until it breaks through this upper Bollinger Bands, right? This is the Bollinger Band strategy. So if you are trading the crypto market and you can buy and hold it for a particular period of time, that is when price is low. right? If you want to buy crypto right now, this is not a very good time to buy crypto when crypto is high. If you want to buy and hold it, because crypto will eventually drop down, right? So what you want to do is to, if you want to trade the market like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, right? You can trade it on the market. You can buy, you can sell when you see a good entry for a buy or a sell opportunity, right? So I hope you understand what I said. So I'm going to be trading next time on Bitcoin markets using this indicator. So I just showed you guys this perfect analysis that you can use to trade your crypto market like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It also works on Bitcoin and Litecoin as well, right? So I hope you find value in this video that I just shared with you guys. And if you like the video, do it to like and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.